I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to add a credit card to your Square for Sales, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Square app. Launch the Square for Sales app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu, then select Settings. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Payment Methods. This section allows you to add or edit your payment options. Step 4. Add a new credit card. Tap on Add Credit Card and enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for typos to avoid errors. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your card information, make sure to tap Save to confirm the addition. You should see a confirmation message if successful. Remember, if you encounter any issues, check that your app is updated to the latest version. Happy selling!